Welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode we're going to take a look at this Thunderbolt to HDMI converter. As you can see, you got the Thunderbolt port on this side, and I connected it so you can see it easily, an HDMI port on the other side. As you can see, HDMI. So we don't need this anymore. Well, it's a really small device. It actually got quite a long cable on it, which is really good. And basically it just it works. It's really handy. You can use it to connect your MacBook on a TV or on a beamer, etc. And it works. This is a really cheap one. I bought it off the Dutch store bol.com, and it's like no brand, nothing, and it's like €5. And it works really well, so I would not advise buying anything more expensive because, well, it works and it has the white Apple look design thingy. Gonna rank it 5 out of 5 stars because it's cheap, it works, and it looks pretty cool. Thanks for watching.